Do you know the song? This is Wherever You Will Go by The Calling. So let's have a look at the intro. We are in standard tuning with a capo on the second fret. So for the first bar, we have a C major shape chord. But remember, the last note of the bar is an open D string. Now, for the second bar, we have a G sus4 over a B. Then, for the third bar, we have A minor 7. Same thing for the first bar. On the last note, we have an open D string, so remember to lift your middle finger. So last bar, we have G sus4 over an F. The other thing here, we're gonna use the thumb for the lowest string, so for the 6th string. And we also have the bass line moving from the 1st fret to the 3rd fret.